In this lesson, we will learn about different type of web pages in Dreamweaver. To create a web page, go to the File menu and click on New. From this New Document options, we can choose a new web page. To design a basic website, choose HTML page type. And in the layout, there are different categories. Basically, there are 4 main categories of pages. They are elastic, fixed, liquid, and hybrid. First, let us see about the elastic pages. The elastic pages expand or contract when the text size is increased or decreased. Let us create one elastic page. For example, let us take this one column elastic centered and click on Create button. Now, an elastic page with some sample text is created. To preview this page in Internet Explorer, click on this button and choose Preview in Internet Explorer. First, the page is to be saved, so click on Save. Here, we can see the elastic page in the browser. Now, let us change the size of the text and see how the page expands. To do so, go to the View menu, go to the text size, choose Medium. See, as the size of the text is increased, the width of the page also increases. Again, go to text size and choose the largest. Now, we can find that the size of the page is still increased. This is how an elastic page works. Now, let us see the second type of pages. Fixed pages. In the fixed pages, even though the size of the text is changed, the width of the page remains fixed. Let us create one fixed page. Choose one column fixed center and click on Create. Now we have created a fixed page. Let us preview this in Internet Explorer. Here we have a fixed page. Let us change the size of the text to smallest. Now we change the size of the text to smallest, even though the width of the page is not changed and it remains the same. Again, go to text size and choose Medium. Now the size of the text is increased, but the width of the page remains same. This is how a fixed page works. Now let us look at the third category, liquid. A liquid page resizes according to the browser. If we take a liquid page, it gets resized when the browser window is resized. The text in the page just flows like a liquid. Let us create a liquid page. Choose one column liquid centered and click on Create. Now a liquid page is created. To preview this page in Internet Explorer, click here and choose Preview in Internet Explorer and save the page. Here is the liquid page. If we resize the browser window, the page is also resized and the text in the page is just flowing like a liquid. So that is why these pages are called as liquid pages. Let us look at the last category, hybrid. Hybrid pages are made up of two or more than two columns. In this, one column is made up of one type, like either fixed or elastic, and the other column is made up of other type of the page. Here we see a hybrid page made up of two columns. That is, the main column is liquid and the sidebar is in elastic mode. Let us click on Create to preview in Internet Explorer. Now we can preview this hybrid page in Internet Explorer. Now let us resize the window. Here we can observe that the main column is in liquid mode, so it is getting resized when I resize the window, whereas the sidebar that is in elastic mode remains same. This is how a hybrid page works.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.